Hi, and welcome to Way Back Wednesday 2012. After last year, with the snowstorm, we had hoped to have a better Halloween this year, but unfortunately it was not to be, as Superstorm Sandy struck that year right at Halloween, knocking out power, causing a lot of damage all up and down the East Coast. And we were not immune to that. We were right in the heart of that. We lost power for Halloween. I know Halloween we had no power, and a few days whatever before, I guess, when the storm hit. So yeah, it was another interesting Halloween. We had everything set up, and then the storm hit, and we had to kind of hurriedly, clean up and batten everything down for the storm. So anyway, let's go back and relive it through the pictures that we have from that year. Okay, here's the Jacob Marley ghost. He's returning from last year. I don't think he's got a bottom jaw yet. I think we added that later. So I think this is a new one. This skeleton head mask. We still have him around. He's pretty cool. I like the look he's got there. And this guy's a repeat also. This purple guy with the sheet over his head. This is the female ghost again, returning. Looks like she's still in a little bad shape here. She's starting to show some of her PVC through there. Here's our other female ghost. I like how she looks. She's still around. And a few of the other guys here. The green head guy here, and there's the returning of this pirate, the skeleton pirate. That's the full skeleton, medical skeleton. This guy in the back there too, this pirate, again, he's a returner. I like him. He's been around for a while now. And the purple guy in the back. Here's another shot of the hearse there. Again, we went with the same configuration from last year with the casket hanging out the back. Driver's the same. This guy again, I think he's the same as last year, or was he different last year? I don't remember if he had a different mask. Oh, this is actually that Red Baron. That's right. This is the Red Baron costume with the new mask. Here's a close-up of this guy here. I like how he looks here with the hat and the cape and all that. He has a Haunted Mansion type look to him. Okay, this year we started to see a little more of these kind of like little props like this start to come into play. Here we have like some jars of some stuff, werewolf teeth and vampire ashes. And here we can see some other things, the busts here. See like the owl on top of the clock, the pictures, start adding stuff like that. Here's the pirates playing cards. Again, you can see like the raven there and the candelabra. I think those are new little additions. Okay, and here we are before Hurricane Sandy. Everybody evacuated to the garage. All the figures had to come off the lawn. And here's the lawn that was after the fact. Just a bunch of poles there. The hearse remained out through the entire storm. It weathered the storm just fine. And here's aftermath pictures. Here's some trees that were knocked over in our neighborhood as we went out for trick-or-treating and to finally get around. Like I said, we lost power. Now there's trees down. Luckily, we didn't have much damage, personally, in our house or anything like that, any flooding or anything, but the tree down blocking the road. But there was a lot in the neighborhood, and power was out for probably 3 or 4 days. Yeah, so it was a lot of damage. We didn't really have much as far as the display by the time Halloween came because the power was out and all that, but that was it for that year.